Hello, my name is Paul Hugenberg with the Cyber Services Division at Ray & Associates.
And I'm Mark Dowd, privileged to be on the Board of Advisors with Walsh University's DeVille School of Business, and we're both very excited to welcome you and invite you to the February 12th event at the Global Learning Center on Walsh University's campus for the Cybersecurity Metrics event. It is Cybersecurity Metrics for the board, and we're going to talk right now about who should come, what they should expect, what they should bring with them to get the most out of it. So Paul, why should a non-technical board member or business officer or business owner, for that matter, attend this event? What should they get out of it?
Well, in its simplest format, the director, the board member, the business owner, they're the decision makers. They're driving the direction of the organization. And for them to be able to understand one of the riskiest parts of their business, which is the cybersecurity discipline,
Sure.
Is one right now that's kind of wishy-washy. We really don't understand, what the information is that we're receiving from the folks giving it to us, our management team. And so what we want to do is give them an ability to understand kind of what the universe looks like. We want them to understand the information that they're getting and have them be prepared to get it in a way that they can make business decisions on.
That sounds great. Cybersecurity in general is such a frustrating topic for some of those folks. So that sounds like a great takeaway. Are there anyone else should attend this event? Who else should this be targeted towards? If I'm that board member, who is someone else I should bring?
Of course. So I think anytime we look at management reporting up to the board, we're really in a conversation. There's two people. And so you need to have somebody communicating to another party in a fashion that other party can digest the information and respond to it with some insight, constructive criticism, or add to the conversation. So let's, if we can, not only have the board member or executive member at the event, let's have their technical counterpart show up as well. So if we can have both of those players at the table, then the discussion we're having about having a better conversation, we're going to have with the people that are going to have that conversation.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Lastly, is there anything that they can bring with them to get the most out of the event? Is there any advice you might have on pre-game for this event?
So I think if we kind of back off and just recognize that cyber is a risk and it's not a transaction, maybe if they come to the table with an understanding of a very significant or material business process that they deal with every day. So it could be time that the line is up. It could be how to quicken the accounts receivable cycle. If they can come to us with a business problem,
Sure.
we will dissect that business problem in that conversation and help them identify key cyber risk metrics in that business process that the board can digest.
Dynamite. Fantastic. Well, again, we look forward to seeing everybody on the 12th. I hope everyone can make it, and we'll see you there. Thanks so much.